In this video, I'll be solving the third part of first problem of UPSC Civil Services Mains 2020 Statistics Optional Paper 1. So for a geometric distribution, P of x is equals to 2 to the power of minus x and x is ranging from 1 to infinity. So show that the ChebyShev's inequality gives probability of mod x minus 2 less than or equal to 2 is greater than half, while the actual probability is 15 by 16. So probability of x is equals to k is 1 by 2 whole to the power k. So that means like the expectation of x here would be 2 and variance of x here would be 6. So we can, in case like if we don't remember the expectation and variance of geometric distribution, so we can simply find it by using, so expectation of x is k is equals to 1 to infinity k into 1 by 2 to the power k. So that is of the form like 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 square plus 3 by 2 cube plus 4 by 2 to the power 4. So it's a arithmetico-geometrical progression. So if I consider this as s, so 2 by 2 square plus 3 by 2 cube plus 4 by 2 to the power 4, 5 by 2 to the power 5 plus and so on. And s by 2 would be 1 by 2 square plus 2 by 2 cube plus 3 by 2 to the power 4 plus 4 by 2 to the power 5 plus so on. So s minus s by 2, if I subtract these two equations, I'll be getting a geometric series since the common difference is 1. So 1 by 2 to the power 5 plus and so on. So that means s by 2 is a by 1 minus r. So that's how we're getting s as 2. So therefore expectation of x is nothing but 2. In the similar way, in order to find the variance, I can first find what is expectation of x square. So expectation of x square would be summation k is equals to 1 to infinity k square into 1 by 2 to the power k, which is 1 square into 1 by 2 plus 2 square into 1 by 2 square plus 3 square into 1 by 2 cube plus 4 square into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus and so on. So if I consider this as s again, so 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 square into 1 by 2 square plus 3 square into 1 by 2 cube plus 4 square into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus so on. So if I divide by the common ratio here, so it is 1 into 1 square plus 2 square into 1 by 2 cube plus 3 square into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus and so on. So s minus s by 2 is nothing but half plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 5 into 1 by 2 cube plus 7 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus and so on. So that is my s by 2 basically. So similarly, like if I divide this thing by 4 again, so I mean if I divide this thing by 2, so here like we can see this is an AGP, so that's why I'm dividing by the common ratio. So this would be 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 cube plus 5 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus and so on. So if I subtract again, so s by 4 is 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 2 into 1 by 2 cube plus 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus and so on. So that means s is nothing but 4 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus and so on, which is 4 into 1 by 2 plus a by 1 minus r. We can see it's a geometric progression, sum of infinite geometric progression. So 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1, this will give me 2 plus 4, which is 6. So that is our expectation of x square. So expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square will give us the variance, which is 6 minus 2 whole square, which is nothing but 6 minus 4, which is 2. So therefore, for probability of x is equals to x, which is 2 to the power minus x, and x going from 1 to 3. So for this geometric distribution, expectation of x is 2 and variance of x is also 2. So now like if we use the ChebyShev's inequality here, so the ChebyShev's inequality says probability of x minus 2 greater than or equal to a is less than or equal to variance of x by a square. So that means, so if I consider a is equals to 2, probability of x minus, so 2 I took because it's the expectation. So probability of x minus 2 is greater than or equal to, so instead of a, if I take 2, that would be less than 2 by 4. So probability of x minus 2 less than or equal to 2 would be greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So the ChebyShev's inequality guarantees probability of x minus 2 less than or equal to 2 to be greater than half, at least 1 by 2. But if you find the exact distribution, so x minus 2 is less than or equal to 2, that means minus 2 less than or equal to x minus 2 less than or equal to 2. That means 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. And here, since it's a geometric distribution, x is greater than or equal to 1. So probability of mod x minus 2 less than or equal to 2 is probability of x belong to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is nothing but summation k is equals to 1 to 4, 2 to the power minus k. So that's nothing but 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16, which is 15 by 16. So therefore the ChebyShev is giving us a bound of half, which is a bit weak, whereas the actual probability is equal to 15 by 16, which is closer to 1. So that's what we are asked to prove in the question. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.